Good morning, dear kids. Today I'll be taking your new topic, that is constructing and solving equations. Let's see. Constructing equations. That means I'll be giving you a word problem and you have to construct an equation. You have to make an equation and solve for the variable. Let's start. Problem number 1 says, I think of a number, add 7. I think of a number. So always if number is not given, we take it as x or n you can take. If I am taking x, add 7. So I am adding 7 to it and then multiply everything by 4. So I have multiplied everything by 4 and the answer is 12 and that's your equation. My dear kids, you don't have to just frame the equation, you have to solve it also. Let's start. 4x plus 28 is equal to 12. 4x is equal to 12 minus 28. Yes, so it will be 4x is equal to 28 minus 12. If you do, it will be 16. Am I correct? Minus 16. X is equal to minus 16 upon 4. That is minus 4. This way you have to solve these equations. Problem number 2. I think of a number, multiply it by 5 and add 6. I think of a number, multiply by 5 and add 6. And the answer is 41. 5x is equal to 41 minus 6. 5x is equal to 35. X is equal to 7. Problem number 3. I think of a number, multiply it by 3 and add 7. The answer is 34. So you have to solve it. 34, this 7 will go there into subtraction and you will get something like this. So that were your 3 problems. I'll be giving you the task. Problem number 4. I think of a number, multiply it by 7 and subtract 4. And the answer is 31. Task number 5. I think of a number, multiply it by 9 and subtract 10. The answer is 53. Find the number. Number 6. I think of a number, add 2 and multiply this by 3. The answer is 12. Find the number. Number 7. I think of a number, add 7 and multiply by 5. The answer is 65. Find the number. 8. I have 5 full boxes of counters and 8 counters left over. There are 68 counters altogether. How many are there in each box? So we don't have how many counters are there in each box. So let the number of counters. You want me to write question first? Okay. I have 5 boxes and there are number of counters we don't know, so I'll put it as X. Eight counters are left over and there are 68 altogether. So the equation is 5 boxes are there. In that each box there are X counters plus 8 are left over. So the equation becomes something like this. This is your question. I am giving you a hint for your answer. You can solve and find the value of X. Next, problem number 9. I have 6 boxes and one box with 8 counters is missing. Altogether there are 132 counters. How many are there in each pull box? So now listen, there are 6 boxes. In each there are x number of counters, and from x number of counters 8 counters are missing. So can I write x minus 8, and that together becomes 132. So this is your equation for this problem. I'll explain again. There are 6 boxes. In each box there are, suppose these are the 6 boxes. In each there are x number of counters. So what you will be writing, total number of counters will be 6x. From there now 8 counters are missing. So total number of counters are x. From there 8 counters are missing. And now the total of these both is equal to, the box is entirely missing. तो x minus 8. बॉक्स में से 8 काउंटर्स मिसिंग हैं, तो x minus 8. And the equation is something like this. Once you solve this, you will get the value of x. Clear? These counter problems are little tough, so you don't have to worry. If you do not get it, please give me a call or you can message me. I put the same number of chocolate buttons on each 7 cakes. So there are 7 cakes. I put same number of chocolate buttons. So I don't know number of chocolate buttons, so I'll put it as x. So that will be total becomes 7x. I had 40 buttons at the start and now have 5 buttons left over. So 40 buttons were total, 7x मैंने लगा दिए केक के ऊपर और remaining मेरे बचे हैं 5. So that's your equation. You have to solve this equation and get the value of x. If you want, I can give you the PDF of these questions. Don't worry. Problem number 11. Problem number 11 says a number is subtracted from 10. A number is subtracted from 10 and the answer is 3. So 10 minus x is equal to 3. Minus x is equal to 3 minus 10. So minus x is equal to minus 7. X is equal to 7. Again same. A number is subtracted from 3. So 3 minus x. And the whole is multiplied by 4 and the result is 8. You have to solve this equation, get the value of x. My dear kids, you have to multiply these brackets, open the brackets and then multiply. Then take 3 over that side into subtraction. You will get the answer. Problem number 13. A number is subtracted from 7. A number is subtracted from 7. And the result is multiplied by 3 and the answer is 6. You have to make the equation, solve and get the value of x. Problem number 14. A number is subtracted from 9. A number is subtracted from 9 and the result is multiplied with 10 and the answer is 40. I'll give you the equation. A number मतलब x subtracted from 9. तो 9 पहले आएगा. This entire is multiplied with 10 and the answer is 40. I'll help you to solve this. 90 minus 10x is equal to 40. That will be minus 10x is equal to 40 minus 90. That will be minus 10x is equal to minus 50. X is equal to 5. Clear? Similarly, you have problem number 15. A number is subtracted from 16 and the result is multiplied with 33. So the answer is 66. A number is subtracted from 16. 16 minus x multiply with 33. Answer is 66. Solve this, get the value of x. Isn't it easy? Yes. 6 is subtracted from a number. 6 is subtracted from a number and the result is multiplied by 4. So 6 is subtracted from a number and the result is multiplied by 4, the answer is same as 3 subtracted from a number and the result is multiplied by 2. So it is two equations getting together. So in first equation it is said that 6 is subtracted from a number, multiply the result by 4, which is equal to 3 subtracted from a number, multiply the result with 2. You have to solve this complex equation. I'll take a fresh page. So the complex equation was this. You have to open up the brackets as we always do. Take xx together and your answer is something like this. Clear? Next problem number, it was 16. I'll jump on to problem number 17. I'll take a fresh page. 17 says if 5 is subtracted from a number and the result is multiplied by 3, the answer is same as adding 1. The answer is same will be equal to adding 1 to the number and doubling the result. Doubling means multiplying with 2 and doubling the result. Let's read the question again and make the equation. If 5 is subtracted from a number and the result is multiplied by 3, will be equal to adding 1 to the number and doubling the number, that is multiplying with by 2. You have to solve this equation, get the value of x. I'll jump on to problem number 18 and it says add 2 to a number and then multiply the result by 6. Okay, if this is equal to subtracting 4 and then multiplying the result by 10. Look at the equation, what it says. Look at the word problem, what it says. Add 2 to a number. So I have added 2 to a number. Multiply this result by 6, which will be equal to subtracting 4 from a number and multiplying by 10. So this is your equation. You have to solve. Open the bracket as we do and find the value of x. Problem number 19. Multiply a number by 4. Multiply a number by 4, that becomes 4x. Add 2 to it and then multiply the result by 10. The answer is same as if you multiply 6 with the number, add 10 and multiply the result by 5. So that's your equation, my dear kids. You have to open the brackets as we always do. Take xx together and number together. And my dear kids, your answer is clear. Problem number 20. 9 times a number has 1 subtracted. The result is tripled. The result is tripled. The answer is same as 7 added to a number, to twice a number and multiply the result by 7. Find the number. I'll help you to make the equation. Let's read the question again. 9 times a number, so 9x. Subtract 1 from it. Multiply the result. Triple means you have to multiply by 3. And that will be equal to same as 7 added to twice a number and multiply the result by 7. Clear? So you have to open the brackets, my dear kids. As you know how we open the brackets. Take number together, xx together. Subtract this. and get the value. Clear? Shall we stop it here? You have to do all 20 problems in your books. If you have any sort of doubts, please don't hesitate to message me or call me. God bless.